For what?
My kids.
For Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Oye, yo le dé mamá, le nomás.
Yeah.
Good.
Mother's Day.
For your kids. So che ci metto un po' di salsa cagante dopo? Yeah. Okay, then some cheese. Nice. How you feel today, ma?
Okay.
Yeah, smile? Spingi di lente, no? You still look nice. Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
All right. That's nice mozzarella, no, ma? Nice mozzarella there.
Yeah.
Got lots of pasta sheets here, eh? You want a spoon? Okay. Okay, now you're gonna put some cheese. So we're gonna probably have about 5 layers, right, my Jingo Falazzi?
Yeah, I know.
I think so. Yeah.
And such.
All right. Oh yeah.
Così piccolo, io avrei affrontato il mondo. Vuoi che si avvicina e chi la tocca?
We're up to seven layers here, eh, ma?
Che parole dolci come quelle tolte al forno. E veniva l'acquolina in bocca. Mi rimboccava fino al naso le coperte. Se pioveva avevo un po' paura. Mi tuffavo nel suo letto a braccia aperte, ad ogni tuono forte mi stringeva. Le mamme sono, le mamme invecchiano, le mamme si amano, ma ti amano di più. Le mamme guardano nel cielo un aeroplano e quel treno sulla ferrovia. Parlano e sognano del figlio che è lontano davanti a una fotografia. Le mamme piangono e si asciugano gli occhiali mentre gli anni.
You like this song, ma? Ti piace sta canzone?
Se pensi a quando ti tenevano per mano, sembra ieri che malinconi.
All right.
Le mamme,
Okay, one more to go. One more falazza.
le mamme.
Okay, l'ultima falazza, the last row here.
Che ti sospira il mio cuore, forse non si usano più.
Mamma, canzone mia più bella sei tu. E tu la vita. E per la vita non ti lascio mai più. We're almost done, eh, ma?
Sento la mano tua stanca.
Siamo quasi finiti, ma davvero?
Cerca i miei riccioli d'oro.
We went through 3 bowls of mozzarella.
E la voce ti
This is 8 layers,
manca.
3 jars of tomato sauce,
Oggi la
about a pound and a half of ground beef,
io voglio stringere al cuore. Mamma, solo per te la
Beautiful.
mia canzone vola. Mamma, sarai con me, tu non sarai più sola. Quanto ti voglio bene.
Falla con umana, ma.
Queste parole d'amore che ti sospira il mio cuore, forse non si usano più. Ma la canzone mia più bella sei tu la vita, e per la vita non ti lascio mai più.
All right. All right. Okay. So, Nonna Pina, Mama,
Yeah.
abbiamo fatto la lasagna for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Eh?
Ah,
All right, come viene? Buona, è vero, ma? So we're gonna bake this now for an hour. Nuda, ma?
15:40 AM.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day, ma. I love you.
Eccezionali.
Say hi to your children, Davidi, eh?
yeah.
Let's do that.
Happy birthday, Rosa.
All right. And Patricia.
Patricia.
Okay, ma. Ciao.
Ciao.
We have explored a few unique ways
All right.
to communicate.
We're finished the lasagna, ma. You changed. Huh? And who's here? David? David? Working on a Sunday. CIBC, hard worker here, working on a Sunday. Connie, what do we got here?
Some beautiful flowers for
Look
Mother's
at the
Day.
vibrant colors. Husband and wife both in blue. Both in
Yeah, sure. We
blue.
didn't do that on purpose.
Look at this. Are you Nonna Pina's oldest daughter?
I am.
Yes. You look great for 29, don't you?
I know, right?
Okay, so we got flowers for Mother's Day, and then we got tulips. Are they called tulips, those things?
Yeah.
That looks nice.
Metemos o guardado dentro.
Yeah. Go put them over there now so I can film that. That's nice. No. You like that, Ma?
Yeah.
Smile. Querende. Okay. What? What, Ma? Put some lights on.
Okay.
Love it. That looks nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we got tiramisu too. Okay. Hi, Callie. Hi. Hello. Hi. What did you guys bring on the peanut? A basket outside? That was nice. You got flowers. Hi, Larry.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
All right.
Hello.
Callie, go say hi to Nonna.
The flowers are outside for you. The flowers on the table.
Flowers
See
out
the
here. Huh?
flowers?
I fiori a messo no tavolo fuori. Yeah. Sì. Sicilian cucina.
Callie,
Happy Mother's Day. Oops.
Callie, look. Look what I got you, mommy. Look.
She's okay. Hi there. Hi, Rose. No, I'm just doing a video of the whole day. Hi, Rose. Are you her second born child?
I am.
Yeah, you look great for 25. Yeah, hi. taste test? Foul taste test. I touched that, no? We're doing a taste test before everybody shows up, okay?
Looks so good. I want some.
Okay.
Good?
Tender? Yeah? Okay, good. You like? Callie, are you gonna say grace before meals? You gonna say grace before meals? All right. Okay. Bon appetito. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Ma, happy Mother's Day. Ma, dali ka. Kazo Hi. Happy Mother's Day. All right. Good. Let's enjoy.
Okay, Callie, come sit here.
Day.
Callie.
Joe,
Hi, buddy.
what's going on, man?
Chilling.
Hi, Joe. Who is that? Who is that?
Callie, what are you doing?
Hi. Hi. Oh, she wants all the love. Oh.
Hey, if you want.
Got it?
You gotta
So this, what kind of cake is this?
It's just a vanilla buttercream with strawberry rhubarb.
would make more sense, but
Oh wow, it's a big one. Why don't we just have some just normal tiramisu from the store, right?
Nobody put it more to the top corner.
Useless.